550 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Tower over 353.42 on Mount Vernon visual, runway 1.
Blue Chief 5342, Washington Tower 1 star 320 17, gust 25, can you take runway 33?
Yeah, we can do 33 for Blue Chief 5342.
Blue Chief 5342, that's a Wilson Bridge, change to turn for runway 33, runway 33, clear for land.
Change to runway 33, runway 33, clear land, Blue Chief 5342.
Pass 25, traffic just off the Wilson Bridge to CRJ is 1,200 feet, start runway 33.
That's a trip inside request visual separation.
Good separation proof. American 1630 Tower, runway 1, lot 4, traffic direct, start runway 33, dispatch 16 on final.
Runway 1.
Blue Chief 5307, keep rolling out to November, ground 47, good day. American 1630 1 star 320 14, gust 25, traffic 2 mile left base, runway 33, no delay, runway 1 clear for immediate takeoff.
Number 1, cleared for takeoff, American 1630.
Pass 25, get the CRJ in sight. Pass 25, pass behind the CRJ.
Pass 5 has a aircraft inside request visual separation.
Good separation.
American 4782 by Baton, Mount Vernon visual.
American 472, Washington Tower 1 star 320 17.
This is Win. Tower, did you see that?
American 472. American 3130, go around, turn left in 250, climb maintain 3000.
Okay, left heading 350, 3000, American 3130.
Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Request runway 33, circle to 33.
Crash. This is alert 3. Crash. This is alert 3.
Climb maintain 3000.
270 heading.
Crash. This is alert 3. Oh, shit. Where's the alert 3? It is off the approach end of runway 33. Approach end of runway 33. Helicopter crash. Helicopter. Copy out this morning. Crash. This is alert 3. 2 helicopters. Helicopter CRJ. Approach end of runway 33. The approach end runway 33, a mile off final. Crash. Kilo CRJ, approach end 33. Okay. How many tolls on board? We don't have any of that information. I was reporting a CRJ and a helicopter crash in Potomac River. Can we go ahead and hold all operations till we have emergency units respond? We're going to go ahead and show the aerodrome closed. Yeah, that's affirmative. Hold all operations, aerodrome closed.
And everybody just hold your positions, please, on the field right now.
Got South 438, ready for taxi.
Everyone's going to have to hold for down. I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Fire command, the accident happened in the river. Both the helicopter and the plane crashed in the river. It's east of the approach end of runway 33.
Is the airfield closed?
Yes, the airfield is closed.
Runways as well?
Yes, all runways are closed. Nobody's landing. No one's moving at all.
And we have clearance across all taxiways and runways, correct?
Yes, you have clearance through the whole field, all taxiways and runways.